is a juxtaposition of incongruity. That's the term they call it. Juxtaposition of incongruity. You know, merging of the incompatible. Merging of the incompatible. Yeah. Taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and finding a single common denominator they share. Juxtaposition of incongruity. Yeah. And what juxtaposition of incongruity does is it creates a sort of absurdity. Juxtaposition of incongruity is kind of surrealistic. What I mean is it's too big, pretentious, jargonic term. Those jargonic terms pretentious. Juxtaposition of incongruity. Basically, you place two objects or two images or two concepts that are mutually exclusive and share no commonality whatsoever, side by side. There's a polarity, there's a dichotomy. Right? Each object or each image has its own distinctive characteristics. But there's a polarity, because juxtaposition is when you place side by side. Incongruity. Incongruity is incompatibility, when two things don't mesh together. You know. It's like ice cream and a cigarette lighter. So you see, that's not a polarity,